If it looks more substantial than the Nissan, that's because Daimler has widened the track, in the bodywork, by a full 2.8 inches. The two trucks will be built on the same assembly lines, but no exterior sheet metal or glass is interchangeable. The door geometry, the hinges, latches, and their locations, is the same, but the panels are all brand-specific. The X-Class looks good, with the front end dominated by the large three-pointed star and an overall design similar to Benz's SUV models. The rear end with its slim vertical taillights reminds us of a concept car, especially when fitted with the LED front and rear lighting that comes with upper trim levels. The widened body allows more generous interior space than the Navara offers. Mercedes has raised the rear seat bottom to deliver more comfort. In the back seat of the crew cab Nissan, the only cab style available in the X-Class, you can feel like a half-folded pocketknife, although tall adults will lack for headroom. There is a lot more sound insulation than in the Nissan, and the Germans have added structural elements to the frame in order to reduce noise, vibrations, and harshness. The interior is dominated by a concave dashboard. The instruments, central screen, HVAC controls, and the optional, touch-sensitive common infotainment system come straight from the Mercedes-Benz passenger car parts bin. In the standard trim, called Pure, the look is somewhat frugal with a lot of hard plastic, but most of the electronic goodies are aboard, including the latest driver assistance safety systems. The mid-level progressive trim brings a bit more fabric to the cabin and also exterior niceties such as body color bumpers. But it takes the top-of-the-line power trim to give the X-Class the appearance of an upmarket vehicle, with stitched faux leather applied to the dashboard and the inner door panels. Aluminum and wood trim are options.